In an experiment published in the journal Cell, scientists created hybrid embryos using human and pig stem cells in a laboratory setting. These embryos are unique, containing both human and animal characteristics. Human stem cells were injected into pig embryos, which were then placed into a pig's womb. The success rate of such experiments is low. Out of 2,075 embryos, only 186 survived the critical 28-day period. Even so, this holds groundbreaking potential in medicine. It may become possible to grow human organs inside animals, and the side effects of drugs could be studied more effectively. In 2005, South Korean scientists announced they had successfully cloned the first dog. Just a few years earlier, the world had met the first cloned cat, Copycat. Since then, at least 40 dogs and countless cats have been cloned. Hundreds of people began preserving their pets' tissues in hopes of cloning them in the future. This growing interest shows that pet cloning is becoming a commercial industry. If you have $150,000 and a beloved dog, you can reach out to these South Korean companies. This bee species was created in the 1950s in Brazil to increase honey production. Scientists crossbred European honeybees with African honeybees, producing a hybrid in the lab. But in 1957, 26 colonies escaped and entered the wild. Within a few years, they spread across Brazil, then South and Central America, and finally reached North America by 1985. Unlike European honeybees, Africanized killer bees can pierce mammal skin with their stingers, which usually remain in the victim. Normally, disturbing a European honeybee colony results in 15 to 20 stings. African killer bees, around 2,000 stings in a single attack. This venom dose can quickly cause kidney failure and, without immediate medical help, death. In 1996, something extraordinary happened in the small Scottish town of Roslin. Under the leadership of Ian Wilmot and Keith Campbell at the Roslin Institute, a lamb was born. This lamb, already named before its birth, would become famous worldwide as Dolly. What made Dolly different from other sheep was that her existence did not require the mating of a ewe and a ram. Instead, Dolly was the genetic copy, a clone, of a sheep 6 years older than herself. The DNA in all her cells came from the mammary gland of another sheep. As the first successful clone of an adult mammal, Dolly was fed a special diet and carefully cared for. At first, scientists believed she would be sterile, but in 1998, Dolly gave birth to a lamb naturally, proving those assumptions wrong. In 2003, Dolly developed a cough and was diagnosed with a lung infection. Soon after, she passed away. Scientists continue to search for ways to produce super strong materials. Inspired by the chemical structure of spider silk, Kevlar was first developed to replace steel in car tires. Today, Kevlar is used in the airbags of NASA's Pathfinder spacecraft, in protective shields on jet aircraft, and even in lightweight ropes that anchor massive ships and oil tankers. Building on these successes, scientists went further. They created a goat genetically engineered to produce spider silk proteins. This spider goat produces milk that contains the proteins needed to spin spider silk. Fibers spun from this milk are 7 times stronger than steel, yet much lighter. They can withstand high pressure and heat, remain stable in freezing temperatures, and stretch up to 4 times their original length. Research on this incredible material is still ongoing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to watch more similar videos. I'm SIMURG. See you next time.